Today, I am reviewing the TOSOT Central Air Conditioner Heat Pump System. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. This particular system is built around inverter technology, which is a major departure from the traditional on-off cycling of older, single-stage furnaces and AC units. With this TOSOT setup, the compressor uses a two-stage rotary design that modulates its speed to match the cooling or heating demand of your home. The practical benefit of this is a more consistent indoor temperature. Instead of your house swinging between being slightly too hot and slightly too cold, the system runs at a lower, steady state to maintain your target climate. Beyond comfort, the 18.5 CO2 rating places this in a good bracket for energy efficiency, which is a critical consideration given that a 5-ton unit is going to be one of the largest consumers of electricity in your home. The ultra-heat and ultra-cool marketing points are a reflection of its performance envelope, which is rated to handle outdoor temperatures anywhere from -22 degrees Fahrenheit up to 130 degrees. That wide range is a testament to the vapor injection technology in the compressor, which keeps the system viable in much colder climates than traditional heat pumps would ever dream of touching. If you live in an area that sees brutal winters but you want to move away from a gas or oil furnace, this is the kind of system that makes that transition possible. However, it is essential to emphasize that this is not a weekend project. You are dealing with a massive air handler, a heavy outdoor condenser, and high-voltage electrical connections. This is a system that demands a professional, certified HVAC technician for the installation, particularly because the long-term reliability and the efficiency of the inverter compressor depend heavily on the quality of the refrigerant lines and the commissioning of the system. The design of the condenser itself is worth noting because it uses a side discharge layout, which is a departure from the classic, top-venting, square cubes most people have in their yards. This slim profile is a major win if you're installing the unit in a tight side yard or on a balcony where space is at a premium. It also helps with noise, as the system is rated for sound levels under 63 decibels, which is generally quieter than the older, noisier units that rattle when they kick on. The high static pressure design is another technical strength here, meaning the system is capable of pushing air through longer, more complex ductwork layouts that might stifle a lesser unit. If you have an older home with long, winding ducts, this capability is often the difference between a house that feels evenly cooled and one that only feels comfortable near the vents. That said, there are some realistic trade-offs to keep in mind. While TOSOT is a subsidiary of a major global manufacturer with a solid reputation for engineering, you are entering the world of modern inverter-driven electronics. These systems are more sophisticated than the dumb AC units of the past, and that complexity means that if a control board or an inverter component fails, you aren't just calling a local handyman to swap out a capacitor. You're going to need a technician who is trained on variable speed inverter systems. You should also verify that your local HVAC contractors are familiar with the brand, as parts availability and service support can vary by region compared to the long-established legacy brands that have dealer networks on every corner. When it comes to the value proposition, the inclusion of the 35-foot copper line set is a convenient touch, but it really just covers the basics of the connection. It doesn't account for the custom work required to integrate this into your existing ductwork or the electrical permit fees that will surely be part of your project. If you are considering this as a federal tax credit eligible system, which its Energy Star certification suggests, ensure that you keep all your documentation and verify the specific requirements with your tax professional. These incentives can significantly offset the upfront cost, making a high-efficiency inverter system much more attractive compared to a standard, non-inverter unit. Who should buy this? This is best for a homeowner who is committed to a high-performance heat pump for a large home and wants to move toward electrification or simply needs a reliable, energy-efficient solution that performs in extreme weather. It is a fantastic choice if you are tired of paying for heating oil or propane and you want a single, integrated system that handles both cooling and heating with one set of controls. If you are in a location with harsh winters and blistering summers, the ultra performance ratings are a clear advantage. Who should avoid this? You should steer clear if you are expecting a do-it-yourself installation experience, or if you are on a very tight budget where you cannot afford the professional labor costs required to install and commission a system of this size and complexity. Additionally, if you live in a region where you cannot find a qualified contractor who is willing to service or install non-traditional or imported inverter-based HVAC brands, you might be setting yourself up for a headache down the road. Reliability is a team effort between the hardware and the technician, so if your local tech isn't comfortable with the equipment, the best specs in the world won't help you when the system needs a tune-up in 5 years. In practice, this system is about shifting from the blunt force climate control of the past toward a more modulated, efficient, and comfortable environment. It is an impressive piece of hardware that ticks the boxes for modern efficiency, low noise operation, and extreme temperature versatility. It feels like a mature product from a manufacturer that has been investing heavily in the inverter space. Just approach it as a long-term infrastructure project. Get the load calculation done by a pro, ensure your ductwork is up to the task, and have a reliable service plan in place. If you handle the installation correctly, It is the kind of upgrade that fundamentally changes the comfort level of a large home, making it well worth the consideration for any major renovation or replacement project.